Hello everyone, my name is Cesar Saavedra and I'm a staff developer advocate here at GitLab. Today I'm going to show you the power of GitLab Duo Code Review, our agentic AI code review. Code reviews can be time-consuming and require a lot of coordination, lengthening your software development lifecycle. GitLab Duo Code Review inspects proposed changes in your merge request for errors, style, and quality issues, and reports them in the merge request along with suggested code changes. Let's see how it works. This merge request contains proposed changes for an application. As a developer, you can trigger a code review by entering the quick action /assign reviewer and tagging the user GitLab Duo to it. You could also do this assignment from the reviewer panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Using agentic AI, GitLab Duo populates this code review as comments in the merge request. At this point, you could interact with the GitLab Duo agent and ask it a follow-up question in the reply field. But for now, let's just review the agent's feedback. You can see a comment about a variable initialization error. The variable count is checked before being initialized. The next comment has to do with a typical missing semicolon at the end of a statement. GitLab Duo is also letting us know that using a float for monetary calculations can lead to precision issues, and is also suggesting to us to change this to a more appropriate type. Lastly, GitLab Duo provides feedback about best practices for using the add method with big decimal variables instead of a compound assignment operator. GitLab Duo includes a suggested code change for each code review issue it found, making it easy for you to accept it with the click of a button. GitLab Duo Code Review allows you to carry out code reviews fast, hence shortening your development lifecycle so that you can deliver software faster. Until next time,